Magandang hapon po ng March 9, 2024 Saturday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong March 9, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, March 9, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for March 9, 2024, Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 114.5 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 14.5 million pesos for Saturday, March 9, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for March 9, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.